Namaste. This is Praveen Tripathi welcoming you in the fourth session of our subject computer, which is also known as the information technology and programming. And we are studying the chapter first, which is the data structure, and today's topic is algorithm, time and space complexity. So this is a very important thing whenever we just learn the data structure or any programming language, or we just understand the programming. Algorithm. What do you mean by the algorithm? If I say that algorithm is nothing but a set of instruction, a set of steps to be followed. So this is all about the algorithm. किसी प्रोग्रामिंग क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए जो हम स्टेप्स यूज करते हैं, स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर को यूज करते हैं, दिस इज अबाउट द एल्गोरिथम. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एल्गोरिथम. An algorithm is a finite set of instruction. Yes, it's a kind of set of instruction or logic written in order to accomplish a certain predefined task. Any task which we want to just accomplish, we write a certain type of algorithm to solve it. If I say that I need to add two numbers in a programming language, or I want to make a program, so first I will make an algorithm. So algorithm is a kind of instruction, a set of instruction which is used to accomplish a task. So mark my point, students, algorithm is not the complete code. So don't refer this a complete code. ये एक पूरा complete program नहीं होता है. Okay, we cannot consider to a complete program. It's just the core logic. The logic we are going to use in the program. जो भी logics हम program में use करने वाले हैं, उसकी एक समराइज्ड वे होता है एल्गोरिथम. ओके, सो मार्क माय पॉइंट, एल्गोरिथम इज नॉट द कंप्लीट कोड, इट्स ओनली अ कोर लॉजिक, और वी कैन से सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हाइल डिस्कसिंग द एल्गोरिथम, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड अनदर थिंग. एन एल्गोरिथम इज सेड टू बी एफिशिएंट एंड फास्ट. यस, every algorithm must be fast and efficient. Not just the algorithm. Whenever we talk about the programming languages, computer system, so all these things must be efficient, and they must be efficient in the two manners. First one, it should be the time efficient, and it should be the space efficient also. So if it takes less time to execute and consume less memory space, so these two things we have to keep in our mind whenever we write the algorithm. जब भी हम algorithm लिखें तो हमारे mind में होना चाहिए कि it should be the less time to execute and it should be the less memory space. Whenever we talk about the memory space, we are talking about the primary memory. तो जो algorithm है वो primary memory को कम use करे. The performance of an algorithm is measured on the basis of the following properties. So what are the properties? First one is the space complexity, and the second one is the time complexity. So we will discuss the first property of algorithm. Whenever we just measure the algorithm performance, so first thing comes in our mind, which is the space complexity. So what do you mean by the space complexity? Space complexity means how much memory space an algorithm will take to execute a task. यानी कि algorithm कितना memory space लेगा जब वो अपना execution करेगा. So it's very easy to understand, I think. Okay, so let's understand the definition. It is defined as the process of determining a formula. Yes, we just determine a kind of formula for prediction. हम यहाँ पर prediction करते हैं. We just do only the prediction. We just predict how much memory space will an algorithm take. Okay, how much space will be required for the successful execution of the algorithm. So this is how you can understand the space complexity. The memory space we generally consider is the space of memory. Okay, primary memory. So whenever we talk about the space, so we are talking about the primary memory. After discussing about the space complexity, now we will discuss about time complexity. It's a kind of similar definition whenever we talk about the space complexity. तो time complexity क्या है? An algorithm how much take time? कोई भी algorithm कितना time लेगी अपने successful execution के लिए? So let's understand the definition. The time complexity is defined as the process of determining a formula. Yes, yet again we just determine a kind of formula that how much time an algorithm will take. Okay, total time required towards execution of the program. So this is very important, students. We have to just keep in our mind that whenever we write any kind of algorithm, we should just think that it should be the time efficient as well as the space efficient also. The calculation will be independent of implementation details and programming language. So this line means that any kind of algorithms just depends on the programming language, which programming language we are using, and its implementation details. So that's how we have completed our chapter first, which is the data structure. In the next video we will start the second chapter, is all about the array. So what we have understand in this chapter: the meaning of data structure, types of data structure, algorithms, and space and time complexity. So thank you for watching.